So friends, yeah, so you can see that the chicken is nice and soft and the oil is oozing out. If you want, you can dry this a little bit more. So friends, first we will marinate the chicken. So for the marination, we'll use some grated ginger or ginger paste, garlic paste, a little more garlic paste, some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and then we'll use just a little bit of cinnamon powder, not too much, and then some black pepper, and some paprika, some coriander powder, some Kashmiri red chili. This will give a good color, a little bit more, and that's pretty much it. So let's leave it for at least a couple of hours. So we'll mix this well and leave this for a couple of hours, and yeah, a little bit of salt. So I'll add some iodized sea salt, just like a pinch of salt. Okay friends, so we'll leave this for a couple of hours. So friends, while our chicken is marinating, we will blend some onions and some green chilies and some cilantro. And if you don't have ginger garlic paste, then you can blend that as well, but I'll add the ginger garlic paste. So I'll blend these three items, and then we'll add yogurt and this paste to our chicken. Okay, so friends, our chicken is marinated. So now we will add this paste that I made from 2 onions, green chilies and cilantro. So we'll add this paste, and I'll also add like a cup and a half of yogurt. So we have almost like 2 pounds of chicken, and we'll give this a, and we'll also add some dry spices, the powder spices. So we'll add about 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So our today's recipe is Afghani chicken. So usually they don't add so many spices, but I'll add a little bit. And I'll add about 1 teaspoon of the Kashmiri chili for some color, and that's pretty much it. And we'll give this a good mix, and then we'll start to fry these. So friends, we've taken some olive oil in the pan and heat this a little bit, and then we'll start to add the chicken, and we'll try to get little marinade as possible, and then once we fry the chicken a little bit, we'll add the leftover marinade later. So first we want to just add the chicken with a little coating of the marinade that we just made. So we'll cook this for about a couple of minutes and then we'll turn them over. So friends, the chicken has been cooking for about 3 minutes. So you can see the color has changed on the other side. So we'll just flip them over. So friends, you can see that it is cooked a little bit on both the sides. So now we will add the rest of the marinade. So this was the extra marinade, so we'll add this in and I'll cover this and cook it for like until it is tender, maybe like 10-12 minutes. So friends, we had added some ginger and garlic paste when we marinated the chicken, but I want to add a little bit more. Some garlic paste. So we'll mix this in and we're going to cook it for about another 10 minutes. So friends, it has been around 10 minutes since we covered it, so let's take a look. So looks like it is done. You can see the oil is oozing out. So friends, yeah, so you can see that the chicken is nice and soft and the oil is oozing out. If you want to, you can dry this a little bit more, but I like it this way. So this is it, and I'll turn the heat off. And that's it. So friends, this is our recipe for today, Afghani chicken. We'll garnish this with cilantro. So we already have a lot of cilantro in it when we made the paste, but I'll garnish with a little bit more. So friends, this is our recipe for today, Afghani chicken. I hope you liked the recipe. So this is really delicious. It doesn't take too many spices and it's easy to make. I hope you will try it and enjoy it. So if you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay friends, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.